Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone, welcome to my channel in Arabic with Dina. Today is the lesson number 2, so please click subscribe and like and share the video with your friends. Are you ready? Let's get started. Today I'm going to teach how can you pronounce the alphabet in Arabic. You can see more pronunciation in English looks like pronunciation in Arabic. The first letter name, Alif. How can pronounce this letter in Arabic? Alif equals A in English. When I say ant, ant. B sound in Arabic equals B sound in English. When I say bag, bag. T sound in Arabic equals T sound in Arabic equals C in English. When I say tree, tree. S sound in Arabic equals TH in English. When I say sand, sand. G sound in Arabic equals G in English. When I say green, H sound in Arabic. When you see this letter in Arabic, remember when you eat a spicy food, you do. It's very hard. Repeat after me. Letter in Arabic. The sound of this letter equals TH in English. When I say Khalid. Khalid is name of man. Del sound in Arabic equals Z in English. When I say dream, dream. Del sound in English equals this. Ra sound in Arabic equals R in English. When I say run, room. They sound in Arabic like B sound, like and they also equal Z sound in English. When I say zero, zero. When you see this letter, remember two things. P sound and Z letter in English also. Zero. C sound in Arabic equal is in English. When I say sun. Shin sound in Arabic equal SH in English. When I say shark. Sad sound in Arabic is a heavy sound of sin. You can notice this. Sin is light sound. Sad is a heavy sound of sin. Sin, sad. Again, this repeat after me. Sin, sad. Dad is a heavy sound of Del. Del is a light sound. Del. But dog is a heavy sound of del. Del. Dog. And you can see this letter only in Arabic. So we call Arabic language named the language of dogs. Dog sounds only in Arabic language. Ta is a heavy sound of ta. Ta is a light sound. Ta is a heavy sound of ta. Repeat after me. Ta, 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 ta. The. The is a heavy sound of dal. Dal is a light sound. Dal. The is a heavy sound of dal. The. Ain. Ain. This is sound coming from the middle of the throat. Repeat after me. Ain. Ain. The second letter named Ghain. Ghain. Ghain is a heavy sound of Ain. Ain is a light sound and Ghain is a heavy sound. Gha. Gha. Ghain like the gargling with a water. Gha. 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 Ghain is a heavy sound of Ain. Gha. 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 Fa sound in Arabic equal it in English. When I say flower, fa, flower. Qaf sound in Arabic equal Q in English. When I say queen, qaf, queen. Kaf sound in Arabic equal K in English. When I say king, kaf, king. Lam sound in Arabic equal L in English. When I say lemon, L, lemon. Or lion, of. Mim sound in Arabic equal M sound in English. When I say man, mim, man. Noon sound in Arabic equal in English. When I say normal, noon, normal. Ha sound in Arabic equal each sound in English. When I say hand, ha, hand. And when you laugh with some person, you do ha 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 ha. You can't see that? Wow, wow. Sound in Arabic equal W in English. When I say window, repeat after me. Wow, window. Wow, window. Yeah, sound in Arabic equal Y in English. When I say yellow, yeah, yellow. You can see more pronunciation in Arabic. Looks like pronunciation in English. I finished my lesson. If you like my videos, please don't forget to do subscribe and like and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you later. مع السلامة.